Standard 11. We are in complex numbers, exercise 1.1. In the earlier videos, we have done up to question number 4. Now this is question number 5. Show that -1 plus root 3i bracket cube is a real number. That I have to show. Solution. I will just expand. Real number means what? There is no I. I means imaginary number. There is no I. If I expand this, what happens? I will see. So, -1 plus root 3i bracket cube is equal to. Now you know the formula. A cube minus b cube etc. All those formula you have to use. Isn't it? So what I will do is, I will use the formula here. This is equal to, here for you, I have written I think the formula once, is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And if it is minus, here plus, here minus, here plus, here minus. This way it goes. So this is -1 cube a cube plus 3a square b. A square means -1 square into b is root 3i plus 3ab square plus 3a means -1 into b square root 3i bracket square and plus b cube. B cube means root 3i bracket cube. Somebody might say, sir, this is -1. So if I write like this, root 3i minus 1 bracket cube, and use the formula of minus, then also this is absolutely correct. Don't worry at all. Either you use this formula, and at the place of minus you don't write these numbers itself. So that is equal to -1 cube is 1, -1 square is plus 1, 3. So this will be plus 3 root 3i. This is minus 3. Root 3 square is 3 and I square plus root 3 cube is 3 root 3. Just see this, 3 into 3 into 3. This is the meaning of cube. Make one pair and take one out. So 3 root 3. This will be the cube of this. And I cube. So that is equal to 1. This -1 cube is, this -1 cube is -1 plus 3 root 3i minus 3 3s are 9 minus 9 and I square means -1 plus 3 root 3. This I will split as I square into I, and here I have written I square equal to -1. So that is equal to -1 plus 3 root 3i. This will be plus 9. This will be plus 3 root 3 into, this is -1, this I square, and this I into I. So here once again I square equal to -1 I have put. So that is equal to, now -1. This I will solve immediately. This and this I will solve immediately. -1 plus 9 is plus 8 plus 3 root 3i. This is minus, so this will become minus 3 root 3 and this I. Now see this, this is positive 3 root 3i, this is negative 3 root 3i, so this will get cancelled. And the answer has come 8. 8 is a real number. 8 is a real number. Therefore, I will write the answer. Therefore, minus 1 plus root 3 I bracket cube is a real number. So hope that you have understood this. Take a screenshot if you need. I am going to take the question number 6. So what is that? Question 6. Find the value of FEO means find the value of 3 plus 2 upon I into another bracket I raised to 6 minus I raised to 7 and into another bracket 1 plus I raised to 11. FEO means find the value of. I have to find the value. This first of all, I will simplify this properly. This is equal to cross multiplication 3i plus 2 upon I. Into this will be I square raised to 3. I told you that always I square means minus 1, that's why I square raised to 3. Index raised to index means multiplication of the indices. Now this I will split as I raised to 6 into I. This way I will split this. I raised to 6 into I raised to 1. This again I will write as 1 plus I raised to 10 into I. Why? I square I can write, that's why. That is equal to. Now this is in the denominator, this I will multiply and divide by the conjugate. If I do this here itself, then it will be also easy. 3 plus 2 upon I into I upon I. See this. Here itself you can do. So 3 plus 2i upon I square. Multiplying and dividing by I. This itself we have solved. Into this. I square means minus 1 raised to 3 minus this is I square its cube into I. This will be 1 plus I square raised to 5 into I. So that is equal to 3 plus 2I upon I square means minus 1 into this I will write as minus 1 cube is minus 1 minus I square means minus 1 its cube into I. Now this will be 1 plus I square means minus 1 raised to 5 into I. That is equal to. This minus I will give here. So 3 minus 2I. This is minus 1. This minus 1. And this minus 1 cube is minus 1. This will become plus. And this is I. Hope that you have understood. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. And this minus will become plus. And into I. So this is 1. This minus 1 raised to 5 is minus 1. Minus 1 into I is minus I. Hope that you have understood. Now I will do the multiplication of this bracket and of this bracket. Okay. So what I will do is, first of all I will multiply this. Either you can adjust the signs. Take this minus 1 out. And it will become 1 minus I. That also will do. So I will not do that. 3 minus 2i as it is, and I will start multiplying this. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into I, plus I. This minus minus plus. Now by this, I into 1 plus I. This plus and this minus minus. I into I square. So that is equal to 3 minus 2i. This is just a lengthy sum, nothing else in that. This is minus 1. I plus I, 2i. This is minus. I square means minus 1. I will change the bracket here. So this is equal to 3 minus 2i. And this. This minus 1, this minus minus will become plus 1. Okay, I will solve it. Minus 1 plus 2i. And this will become plus 1. This will become plus 1. So this minus 1 and this plus 1 will get cancelled. So that is equal to, what is the answer? 3 minus 2i into 2i. This is remaining. Now multiply by this. 3 to the 6i to this minus 4i square. That is equal to 6i minus 4 into minus 1. I square means minus 1. So that is equal to 6 minus 1 into minus 4 plus. So 4 plus 6i. This is the find the value of. We are seeing it. That is the value of it. So it was given as complicated. Another question, the most important question, question number 7. Again it is find the value of. This is just the adjustment, the simplest adjustment. First one, this is question number 7, FUO. FUO means find the value of I raised to 35. Answer immediately I will write I raised to 34 into I. In 2's table, that's why this. That is equal to I square raised to 17. I square raised to 17 into I. I square means minus 1 raised to 17 into I. Minus 1 raised to 17 is minus 1 and minus I is the answer for this. So the fifth one I am going to take I raised to 403. That is equal to, I will write it that I raised to 402 into I. It should be in the table of 2. That is equal to I square raised to 2 to the 4, 2 0 the 1 are. So I square raised to 201. Index raised to index means multiplication of the indices into I. So I square is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 raised to 201 into I. That is equal to minus I. So this was the fifth sum. Now I'll go for sixth sum. 1 upon I raised to 58. So this also I will simplify first. That is equal to 1 upon I square raised to 2 to the 4, 2 9s are 29 to the 58. That is equal to 1 upon minus 1 raised to 29. That is equal to 1 upon minus 1, and that is nothing but minus 1. Hope that you have understood this. If it is a even power, then you will get some number. If it is the odd power, then you get the answer in I, and it will be always minus I. If the odd power, the answer will be always minus I. Orally also you can write the answer. So the seventh one is I raised to minus 888. First of all, I will convert into positive. 1 upon I raised to 888. That is equal to 1 upon I raised to. First of all, 2 I will write. 2 4 the 4 the 4 the. That is equal to 1 upon minus 1 raised to 4 4 4. Even power. So that will be 1 upon 1 and the answer will be 1. The 8th sum I will do. That is I raised to 30 plus I raised to 40 plus I raised to 50 and plus I raised to 60. Here also we will do the same thing. I square raised to 15 plus I square raised to 20 plus I square raised to 25 and plus I square raised to 30. This way I have converted it into the I square terms. So this I square means minus 1 raised to 15 plus this is minus 1. This is also minus 1 raised to 20 plus this is minus 1 raised to 1 2 3, this is 25 raised to 25 plus this is I square means minus 1 raised to 30. So minus 1's odd power is minus 1. This was 20. Minus 1's even power is plus 1. Minus 1 odd power is minus 1. Minus 1 even power is plus 1. This minus 1, this plus 1 cut. This minus 1, this plus 1 cut. And that is equal to 0. Hope that you have understood this. So question number 7 is over. Now we will go for question number 8 is like this. Question 8. Show that it is real. Show that 1 plus I raised to 10 plus I raised to 20 plus I raised to 30 is real. Same way you will do it. Question number 9 is also the same. Question number 10 I will take now. Solve. Question number 8 and 9 you will do. Question 10. I raised to 592 plus I raised to 590 plus I raised to 588. This question number 8 I am rubbing. That you will do afterwards. Plus I raised to 584. In the old syllabus also this question was there. Upon I raised to 582 plus I raised to 580 plus I raised to 578 plus I raised to 576 and plus I raised to 574. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are coming. 592, 590, 588, 586 here one term remains plus I raised to 584. So this is equal to the lowest power is 584. In that term, I will split this. That is equal to I raised to 584 into I raised to how much? Division means subtraction of the indices. So this way I raised to 8. Multiplication, addition of the indices, 584 plus 8 will be 96. From where I have brought this 584? From this lowest power. Plus I raised to this 590. So I will write 584 into what? I raised to 6 plus. Now for this, I raised to 584 into this power only I am going to take from 8 into I raised to 4. 84 plus 4, 88 plus I raised to 584 into I raised to 2. 84 plus 2, 86 plus I raised to 584. The numerator is what? The scholar students can take directly common 584. But the general students won't understand, that's why I am just splitting it up. In this, the lowest power is I raised to 574 into I raised to how much? 582 I want. So I raised to 8 plus this I raised to 574. This will be I raised to 6. Exactly the same will come. Plus I raised to 574. This power into I raised to 6, then 4. Plus I raised to 574 into I square from this. Plus this will be I raised to 574. Now see what is common. This I raised to 574, 84, 84, 84, 84, 84. This is common. So I raised to 584. I raised to 584 is common. So what is remaining here? I raised to 8 plus here I raised to 6 plus here I raised to 4 plus here I squared plus here everything is taken, so 1 will remain upon. Now here what is common? I raised to 574. What is remaining here? I raised to 8 plus I raised to 6 plus I raised to 4 plus I square plus 1 is remaining. This and here 1 will remain. See this. You can cancel these two. These are the same term. So our answer is now that is equal to I raised to 584 upon I raised to 574. I have written only 554. 574 upon I raised to 574. Now this is the division. Division means subtraction of the indices. So I raised to 584. This I will take up minus 574. Division means subtraction of the indices. So I raised to 10. This is nothing but I square raised to 5. I square means minus 1 raised to 5. Minus 1 raised to odd power is minus 1. So this way this question was very important question. Hope that you have understood this. Then question number 11 is also same. Find the value of, show that 1 plus I everything, that is question number 12, that is also the same. Question number 13 is also same. Question number 14, evaluate, find the value of, that is also same. Prove that 1 plus. The question number 15 I will go for. These remaining questions you can do. Just use the concept what we have used Question number 50. Prove that PT 1 plus I raised to 4 bracket raised to 4 into 1 plus 1 upon I raised to 4, and that is equal to 60. This I have to prove. So what I will do is, I will just first of all, what is 1 plus I bracket square, that I will put. LHS I will take. LHS equal to 1 plus I raised to 4 into 1 plus 1 upon I raised to 4. That is equal to. This I can't do like this. So what I will do is, I will write 1 plus I raised to 2 and its square. This way I will write. Then this. This I will write as 1, this cross multiplication. So what is the cross multiplication? 2I plus 1 upon I. This is the cross multiplication. Bracket square and whole raised to 2. Index raised to index means multiplication of the entire set. This is 2 raised to 2. It is 2 raised to 2 means 4. That way. Now I will open this. So this is equal to what I will get? A plus B bracket square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Means A square means 1 square plus 2AB means 2I plus B square means I square and whole square. Now this also upper part also I will square and lower part also I will square. 2I square means what it will be? 4I square. A square 2I, its square means 4I square plus multiplication of these two and twice means 4I plus B square means 1 square is 1 upon this square is for this also. This square is for this also. I square and the whole square. So that is equal to. This will be, I will change the bracket 1 plus 2I and this will be minus 1. I square means minus 1. Its square into 4I square means 4 into minus 1 plus 4I plus 1 upon this I square means minus 1 bracket square. Here I have written I square means minus 1. So that is equal to. This and this will get cancelled. So 2I bracket square. This will be minus 4 plus 4I plus 1 upon minus 1. Its square. Hope that you get it. Now I will open this. 2I square is equal to 4I square. Now this is minus 4 and this is plus 1. So minus 3 plus 4I upon minus 1 bracket square. Till now I have not changed the signs. Now I will change the signs. That is equal to 4I square means minus 1. This sign is for both of them. So 3 minus minus plus minus 4I bracket square. So that is equal to minus 4. Now here you would have gone in the different way also. Means you would have solved in the another form also. Another form is here you would have done I into I square, that type also you would have done, and expand this and you will get, it is becoming very lengthy. So this is minus 4, a minus b bracket square. You will go on doing and you will solve it. Remaining part I am keeping for you now. Another way also I will tell you here itself how I would have solved this. That also I want to tell you another way which will be also very easy. Here itself in one sum I have done. This is 1 plus I, its square as usual. Now this I will first of all simplify this. 1 plus 1 upon I into I upon I, and it's raised to 4 this way. Or this initially I will write this as the square and the square of this in the single step I will do too. What I have done, just rationalize. That is equal to, now this I will expand 1 plus 2i plus I square bracket square. Now this 1 plus I upon I square, its square and then square. This just I am just simplifying it. So that is equal to 1 plus 2i. This will be minus 1 bracket square. This will be 1. This is minus 1, so this will become minus I bracket square and its square. Now the same term, it has become a simple term. So that is equal to this cut, and this becomes 2i bracket square. Now I will open this square, a minus b bracket square, a square minus 2ab means 2i, and minus plus a minus b bracket square, a square minus 2ab plus b square means plus I square. This much, and is bracket square. So that is equal to, now this will become 4i square. Both the ways I am going to tell you. Now this is 1 minus 2i, and this is also minus 1 bracket square. This one cut. So that is equal to 4. I square means minus 1, and this is minus 2i bracket square. Minus 2 square is 4. I is I square. So that is equal to minus 4. This is 4 into the value of I square is minus 1. This minus will become plus, and 16 LHS equal to RHS. So you would have gone in the first by the first way also and by the second way also. If I do this simplification, then it will become very easy. So hope that both the ways, both the approaches in the examination, you may go by the first approach what I have done. So then also you should get the answer. So then now the question number 17, 18, 19, 20, there are many questions in this exercise. So we will do in the subsequent lectures. This is lecture number 3 or 4, I don't remember. I will check it in the playlist and I will tell you. Bye till then.